I've styled my hair with Keranique's beautifully crafted volumizing shampoo and conditioner set for thinning hair. It has biotin and keratin in it that helps combat thinning hair, and it has done a great job on my hair. It's full and fluffy and very conditioned. It helps with its thinning hair formula by stimulating and moisturizing. The stimulating comes from menthol and arginine. The moisturizing and conditioner is backed with niacinamide, keratin, and carob. These incredible ingredients help to actually repair the hair at the root level and the follicles. You will see it's very pretty, and you can see it's very volumized, and it helped receive my style very well. I love the way it makes my hair feel, and I love that I have this option that's good for my hair. It also has other products like a hair mask and a spot treatment formula. It works by invigorating the microcirculation in the hair follicles. It enhances growth. And it has made my hair bouncy and stylable. It has helped with the frizz. I don't have frizz, and I actually have hair that's volumized and feels really good because I've also taken very good care of it, and I've helped to heal it along the way. I know you will like this. This product was gifted to me by Keranique, and it was in exchange for my honest review, and you can see it's really helped my hair.